Millimeter wave are the most discussed characteristic of the 5G. The size of the wave is 1 to 10 millimeter. The only operators they are using is the satellites and the radar. They began to use them for sending data for stationary points like between two base stations. Small cells are basically miniature base stations that require minimal power to operate, and these small base stations can be placed after every 250 meters throughout the city. To prevent from signal drop carrier, we could install thousands of these base stations to improve the receiving signals and the transmitting wave. A landslide early warning system in Bangladesh starting from 2014 has potentially saved hundreds of lives. In order to ensure that more people see the warning messages, they do not go to the inbox but flash on a user screen and send to different government agencies, who can take immediate action and evacuate people from danger areas. Beamforming is a traffic signaling system for cellular base stations that identifies the most efficient data delivery route to a user, and it reduces interference for nearby user in the transmitted signal. Beamforming helps massive MIMO arrays that will make more efficient use of spectrum and around them. Now the base stations and cell phones are rely on transceivers that must take turns for transmitting and receiving information over the same frequency. With full duplex, we can transmit and receive at the same time on the same frequency, and also making it possible to double the capacity of wireless network. Disasters are unpredictable and it is impossible to provide support at first even if dedicated PSN are in place. The figure on the left shows an overview of the system suggested for future PPDR networks. Dedicated LTE, dedicated PSN will be used and interact with the ground units to transfer emergency message. With the help of 5G, the earthquake in Haiti in year 2010, Google Crisis Response Team which created software tools to aid in emergencies. The Person Finder application enables the victim to get in touch with friends and families, and the crisis map displays important location-based information like shelters. A landslide early warning system in Bangladesh starting from 2014 has potentially saved hundreds of lives. In order to ensure that more people see the warning messages, they do not go to the inbox but flash on a user screen and send to different government agencies, who can take immediate action and evacuate people from danger areas.